Find the average velocity if the object's u is 4 meter per second and v is 6 meter per second with an acceleration of 1 meter per second. Right? So let me start doing this. Just a second. Yeah. First is analysis. I use the same with a 6th grader, and I'm using the same thing with you guys as well. Fundamental structure of thinking. Now we have an object over here, the same object over here after some time, and it was with certain velocity u, and now it is with another velocity v. U is 4 meter per second, v is 6 meter per second, and between these two space, it has increased its velocity from 4 to 6 with a constant acceleration. Yes, we have not done this aspect, but yeah, anyways, it's not something new. Acceleration, you guys know. Acceleration is how much velocity is changing with respect to time. So it's a constant acceleration scenario. And that turns out to be 1 meter per second square. Now we're trying to figure out your average velocity. Okay, so how do we do this? Say we have the VT graph. How will the graph look like? The graph will look something like this. If this is your VT graph, V along the x-axis, T along the x-axis, V along the y-axis. So this is 4 meter per second, and this is 6 meter per second, and this is, oh, we don't have the time, this is T1, and this is T2. We need to figure out the average of this basically. Right? So what can we do? The funda is actually quite simple. Whenever we have a uniform change in this manner, right, we can directly go with average velocity to be equal to u plus v by 2. And so we have 4 plus 6 by 2. That would be 5 meter per second. Technically, your just answer is just this part. I just showed the extra bit so as to make you guys understand that how the velocity is changing. That discussion was important. So basically, if this was a non-uniform acceleration scenario, if the rate at which the acceleration, if the object getting accelerated was something else, as in not constant, then this approach will not be applicable. That is something that you guys have to keep in mind.